Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to see how many times you've opened apps on your phone. Okay, so how to check that is the first thing you're going to do is on your Android phone, you locate your settings app. All right, you locate your settings app. So I have mine here. This is the settings app on my device. Then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you're going to see digital well-being and parental controls. You tap on it. Okay, once that opens, you go to dashboard. You tap on dashboard. Okay, so here, this arrow here, you tap on it. You're going to see times opened. Okay, you tap on times opened. And as you guys can see, this will show you number of times you've opened apps on your phone. As you guys can see, YT Studio, I've opened it for like 39 times today. Okay, being Monday 28th June. Facebook app, I've opened it like 17 times today. Chrome, I've opened it 8 times today. The settings app, I've opened it 5 times today. YouTube app, I've opened it 5 times today. This app, I've opened it 4 times. Instagram 4 times. um Play Store opened 4 times, WhatsApp opened 4 times, calculator opened 4 times. Okay, as you guys can see, to show you the number of times you've opened an app in a day. So let's show all apps. So as you guys can see, these apps are 0 times because I have not opened this app today. As you guys can see, they are 0 times. All right, this is how to know how many times you've opened an app on your Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.